Hi Scorpio, welcome to my channel Tarot Reading with Shaista. This is going to be a reading for you Scorpio from October the 2nd to the 9th of October, and we shall take a look at your recent past, your current energies and your immediate future. I will then close the reading off by pulling out an oracle card for you as a message for you from the universe. I want you to remember, guys, that these are general readings, so they may not always resonate with all of you out there. It could be for you, it could be for your person or the situation you're in, or it could be vice versa energies, because it is a general reading. So if you're keen on knowing more and want a personal reading from me, please feel free to reach out to me by email. At the description box you will find all the info needed with my email address on it, so you can reach me via that. All right, so let's look at what's happening for Scorpio, for water sign, from October 2nd to the 10th. The overall energy for you: logical, perceptive, insightful, blunt and exciting, intellectual challenges that you were ready to take on, brilliant insights, information that you need but might be challenging to receive. Review all documents very carefully. Okay, so this is the Page of Swords. Someone who is agile, who's quick, who's logical, who's perceptive, who is witty, who has the kind of strength to look beyond, stay focused, very driven. And I see that you're having that overall energy at the moment, and you're ready to receive challenges, you're ready to take things on heads on. Now let's see what's that's regarding, or what's that's insight with. Let's try and understand that through your cards, Scorpio. Sorry, I need some water. Scorpio, from 2nd October to the 9th of October. Please tell me what's happening with Scorpio. Okay, it's a fabulous spread for you, Scorpio. From what I understand, you are completely in this Zen-like, focused, career-driven kind of an energy. I also see a lot of focus for some of you on probably taking things to a next level in a relationship, or generally being ready to get into a relationship or start a new journey. It could mean you people are already in a relationship and are probably looking at the next step, which is the next step is marriage. So there's lots happening here, but I will just let's go by what's happening in your recent past. In your recent past, Scorpio, I have the Knight of Cups, I see the Ace of Swords, and I see the Two of Swords. So there was something in your past which had kind of left you confused between choices. Maybe it was something to do with a relationship, whether to go forward or not. It could be between two jobs, to go forward or not. But you were definitely motivated, because the core strength here is the Ace. Somebody who has these ideas, who wants to overcome obstacles, has the faith in that situation, wants things to work out, wants to communicate right, clearly, concisely, and remain very objective, okay, with the Ace of Swords. And I see that emotionally also you were very charged to follow your heart through it, or whatever. It's not just your head, you were thinking with your heart as well, and you were emotionally also involved. This could be a relationship, or this could just be something that you were interested in, maybe a career path or something that you wanted to start on your own. So it could be either. For those of you who are in a relationship, I could see that maybe you were interested in a party, but you were not sure whether it's two ways, whether you should go on with it. Or it could be that there was somebody, or you had to make a choice between your career, that dream, or that relationship. So I feel that's the general energy of your past. When I look at your current energies, I see the Renewal card, the Release, and the Chariot, all three major arcana. So it's definitely a situation we're dealing with right now. Okay, I see that you're On the whole, there's been a lot of renewal. You have healed, there has been a little bit of a struggle, there has been a lot of discord, there has been a lot of not much events happening in your life in the past, but I see that you have coped up, you have recouped, you have renewed, and I see that now you're reviewing the past or the mistakes you've made. You're ready to forgive people, perhaps move on. You are ready to move into a new direction. Maybe something that you were planning like this had fizzled out, and now I see that you're more compassionate towards the situation from the past or the people that were involved in your past. You're more forgiving. You want to definitely head in a new direction, and I see that you want that clarity in your life, you want that purpose back, because that's the kind of energy I see in you right now with the overall energy as well. You are very focused, you want to pursue your dreams. So maybe it was a relationship which didn't work out, and now you've decided to just follow your dream, maybe your work. So I definitely see that you have released the negativity. Okay, you have ended the old, sent out the toxicity out of your life, and now you're ready to heal. You've already healed, you're looking at a new beginning, and you want to the need to release situations or people that have been holding you back in the past. Spiritual transformation, a lot has been happening for you, Scorpio, currently, and I feel there's movement. You will not just think all this, you will actually make it happen with the Ace and the Page coming up in your reading. That's what I see. And with the Chariot here, it's very clear that the situation says that rewards that come from hard work. You've probably been working on this diligently, successfully, and balancing many priorities at once in the past. Like I said, with this, the Two of Swords, you were balancing something. There were choices you were making. Now you're clear. You've made those choices, and you've made the successful choices, and you are determined, to kind of get that recognition and make things happen for you. I definitely see that kind of a spirit in you right now. In your immediate future, I see the Knight of Swords, somebody who's very decisive, focused, driven. You will continue to be like this, extremely defensive. Events that, basically it signifies that things will happen really quickly for you and with great speed. Okay, I see that, you will choose things wisely, intellectually, when it comes to responding to challenges that are thrown to you, rather than just thinking of it, from an emotional point of view. You no longer will have that Knight of Cups kind of an energy. You will now start thinking from the head, with your logical side of you. You will probably, and you will see a lot of sudden unexpected changes as well, and you will definitely review all these options from the past very carefully now going forward. I also see that some of you may take to studying, learning a new skill, trying to study. Maybe some of you will move into new jobs. I see that some of you will get some kind of a good news in terms of your career. I see promotions and scholarships happening. Some of you may actually travel, or you may pursue higher studies. I see that, and I see a lot of financial security at the end of it all. I don't see any financial burdens, pressures. You're definitely in a more rested pace financially, so you're at peace. And I see that your plans are going according to whatever you had planned for yourself is going according to that. It's it's all in place. So I think, Scorpio, it's a fantastic read, and I wish you all the best, and I see you next week. All right, but before I end your reading, let's just quickly take a look at a message from the universe for you for the same period, which is 2nd October to the 9th of October. Let's get a message for you, Scorpios, from the universe. What's the universe telling you? Plant the seeds. It's time to move on, time to definitely put that plan into action. You have scripted it very well. Now it's time to make it happen. So, you have written the script. Now it's time to direct the script. So that's what it's telling you with this card. It's telling you it's time to now start planting those seeds. Whatever ideas that you had, putting your plans into action, and I see that working out for you, Scorpio. So that's all for you for this week, Scorpio, and I will see you in the next. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye. Take care.